This looks weird though. Is this how it's gonna be like when I'm holding it? I thought. Hey guys, welcome back to my video. So today we're going to be talking about my wedding and the whole fiasco of COVID and trying to plan a wedding during the pandemic and everything. And on top of that, I need to redo my bouquet for my wedding, and so I want to do a DIY type of thing, chit chat with you guys on trying to accomplish this, because Lord knows I don't know what I'm doing. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I'll show you guys the one I made before, and I'm trying to put an inspirational pic of what I'm trying to accomplish also, but I don't know how we're gonna do this. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. As you guys know, I'm supposed to be getting married. I was supposed to have gotten married last May, but COVID want to come along and mess things up for me, and we postponed it till August, and then that wasn't sitting right, because around the time I was supposed to get married in August, I was starting school, and it was just, I wouldn't have a honeymoon. It was just like so many different things. So we finally decided to postpone it until this upcoming May, finally. I did make my wedding bouquet here. I chose to do fake flowers because I don't really like using real flowers. I mean, I'm okay with getting them, but for something like this, when it's a one-time thing, I feel like it's kind of messed up, because the flowers are just gonna die and I'm not gonna be able to keep this for a very long time. And I decided I wanted to keep it. Like, I'm keeping my wedding dress, my wedding shoes, my jewelry, whatever else. I want to keep the bouquet and stuff. And I did Pinterest some ideas, and this is what I came up with. And I tried to do it at first, and this is what I got. Which, don't get me wrong, this is really cute. I like the little things, and I added some sparkles and some little accents to make it. And I didn't finish it off, because after I did it, I was happy with it, but then I wasn't happy with it because I felt like it could be better. So here's some of the flowers. I have some roses, some orchids. I don't know. Okay, I don't know what half of these flowers are. They just look pretty to add to my bouquet, and they all just hit the floor. Oh my God, it's flowers everywhere. So I bought some green stuff. I don't think I'm gonna use these because they don't really go with everything else. I'm gonna throw that down. I do want to use these. Oh my God, come back. Ugh. I got some more of these, like, hanging, what are these called? So to do the cascading bouquet that I want, you have to buy this like weird looking thing that's almost like a plunger shape, and you can get this from Hobby Lobby. I can't remember what it was called. To get this guy, and then you have to get some floral, oh, I don't need tape. I have floral stem wrapping tape. I had to buy some floral wire. I had to buy this floral foam thing here, and I just got the biggest one because I didn't know what size I needed. And then everything else is for other stuff for my wedding. A part of me is just like, girl, just keep this. But a part of me is very curious to see how this is going to turn out. Before I take that apart, I think I'm gonna start with the flowers I have already right here. And if this is janked to begin with, we just gonna call it quits and just keep what we got. If I squint, it's because I don't have no glasses or contacts on, which you guys are probably like, just put your glasses on, but I look cute. So let me do me. I'm going to attempt to do this. I remember she cut this out and was able to stick the ball in, because the whole point, or stick it through, is for this to be a round so that the flowers can stick in this and hang over. I remember. But if I get confused, I'm just gonna pull the video out. This may take a while, so I'm going to mute this. not going well. Okay, I don't know if this whole thing is supposed to go through this, but then I'm looking at this and it's like, this don't look right. Okay, let me pull up the video because this, I wasn't supposed to go all the way through. It was just supposed to be like this. I knew it. Don't do this. Leave the top. Just stick it back in there. We could stick it back in there. Let's cut this off. Alrighty, so we do it like this, have it like this. We have to glue the green part to the white part, and then you have to cut off all the plastic bits and use the wire to attach it, because then it's gonna like cascade over. Now, I'm not sure how I feel about these. I'm definitely not using the leaves of these because they don't go with the rest of the bunch. I'm kind of nervous. I kind of feel like I want to keep my own bouquet, but we already here. Might as well keep going. So anyways, guys, we have done so far. We've picked out the cake. You guys have seen that video. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave it linked up top and in the description box for you guys to see. We did pick out our cake. If you guys haven't seen me try on like wedding dresses, the funny thing was I was supposed to do like try on more than one dress, and it turned out that the dress that I tried on actually was my dress. So I was kind of like happy about it, but then sad at the same time because I wanted to like try on more dresses for you guys, which obviously didn't happen. And so I will link that video. So what I'm currently doing is cutting the plastic bit of the stem, not going all the way through, just nicking both sides of it and then pulling it away to expose the wire, because I remember her saying you need to expose the wire because we're going to wrap some more wire to the flowers and whatever else we're using. So this is going to be some of the parts that's going at the bottom. So I'm just going to clip this. This one has like a thin wire, but they're still pretty hard to cut. So all I did was take a piece of the wire and push it through here so that the top piece of this won't fall out because it kept coming out. I have this nice and wired with the tape. It's not super long. This is too long. Girl, I don't know. This is why some people do stuff like this and some people don't, because then you get stuff like this. So the sad thing is that we made all those beautiful invitations for our wedding and they got used, but they have the wrong date because obviously we're getting married in 2021. We created save the dates, and it's just very unfortunate that COVID just hit at the time that it did. But COVID hit like it was a hurricane. It's unfortunate that this happened, period. I was just me, but yeah, I don't even think I need that wire. We gotta test this out, cause see these, oh my god, bruh, I don't know what's happening. I am good at a lot of things, but I'm gonna tell you what, I ain't good at this. Y'all, I don't know about this. I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm gonna just keep this one. Hold on, let me see if I can. Well, I can't really use this. So I found the ribbon. I was attempting to wrap my toss away bouquet, and I still have all these other bouquets for the bridesmaids that I need to wrap as well. But I'm not gonna do that on camera. We're just gonna fix the one that I'm working on for myself. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not the best at this, and I really don't have the patience. I'm gonna try to keep going with the cascading bouquet. This is what we have so far, and we still have like all these other floral things to put on there. I just don't see this going well. Like, it looks so changed. I'm just gonna sit that over there. I'm not good at this. But for this, as you guys can see, I've used a lot of tape to kind of hold these bad, and hot glue to hold them together. So what I'm gonna attempt to do is try to cut out some of the plastic part. But so the way I did this bouquet, I kind of just started adding the flowers. It started with one flower, then the next flower, and I took all the green leaves from off the flowers and added it to, I just took them off and I cut them off and I just put them to the side. And then as I kept adding flowers, I kept taping them together and gluing them together, shoving more flowers in, and then I just started putting it together. Once I got all the flowers together, I started gluing and taping all the leaves at the bottom, as you can see, together. It's a hot mess. And I did like really try my best to even out the flowers. I know y'all gonna come for me on my bouquet. Don't do me like that, y'all. Oh my god, y'all, it just looks, my sticky fingers took that off. Oh, stop tearing it up before you get married, girl. So I'm gonna add some more shiny things to this. I think this is good now. Okay, it's super sticky. The last thing I need to do is cut all of these ends off, and then we're going to wrap it in the rose gold ribbon. And I have some things to add to it. Where'd they go? I'm gonna add some bedazzles to it. And yeah, and I think I have one more thing I'm gonna add, but that's gonna be later. It's gonna be like a cute little charm or something, a little mini surprise. And that's it. So I'm gonna do this part off camera or until... Okay guys, so I have no idea what happened to the end of this video, but this is my final bouquet. I love it, and I'm going to show you guys what the one looked like that I finished in this video. I actually took the whole thing down and just redid the bouquet all together, and I loved it. It's not as oval, it's more round, and I love the bottom of it. I'm also going to add some rhinestones to the handle part, which will also be in the final picture during my wedding. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video in all its crazy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. guys. Here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.